you guys, welcome back. My name is Himadri. In today's video I will be teaching you all how to get this beautiful New Year party makeup look using only one brand makeup product, that is Sugar Cosmetics. So if you guys are interested, then you should definitely keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by using a facial oil because it's winter season and my skin is feeling very dry. You can use a moisturizer if you want to, but today I'll be using a facial oil. For the primer today, I'll be using the Sugar Cosmetics Pore Primer. I really like this. It is a silicone based primer which is perfect for blurring out pores. So I'm going to apply this on the areas where I have pores, that is around my nose, a little bit on my forehead and also on my chin. For the foundation today, I'll be using the Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade Pana, and I'll apply this evenly all over my face and blend it out using a damp beauty sponge. For the concealer today, I'll be using the Sugar Cosmetic concealer in the shade Pana again, and I'm gonna hide my raccoon eyes and also wherever I have blemishes and blend it out using a damp beauty sponge. To set the concealed areas, I'm going to use this newly launched banana compact powder and I'm going to bake under my eyes and also use the leftover products on my smile lines so I don't get that smile line creases which looks really bad, if you know what I mean. So after that's done, I'm going to jump onto the eyes. Taking this brown contour shade, I'm going to apply this on my crease. Next, I'm going to use this Eye and Shine Shadow Crayon in the shade 04 Oinks Oomph. This is a black eyeshadow and it's very easy to blend. So I'm going to take this color on a very precise brush and I'm just going to blend it out to add some depth. After that's done, I'm going to take the Shame Crayon Shadow in the shade Emerald Ecstasy. It is a beautiful green shadow, you guys. It blends beautifully and the pigment is just mind-blowing. So I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids. After that's done, I'm going to simply dust off the powder. After that's done, I'm going to tighten my upper and lower waterline using the Sugar Cosmetics Kohl Kajal. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes using an eyelash curler and use the Sugar Cosmetics mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Taking the same crayon shadow in the shade Emerald Ecstasy, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Next, for the blush, I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics mini blush in the shade Peach Peak and I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks and also a little bit over my nose. Taking this contour shade from the Sugar Cosmetics contour palette in the shade Subtle Summit, I'm going to apply this on the hollows of my cheeks and also a little bit on my forehead and on my jawline. And using the highlighter shade from the same palette, I'm going to apply this on the highest points of my face, also on my brow bone and the inner corners of my eye. For the lips, I'm going to use this lip liner in the shade Wooded by Nude, and for the lipstick today, I'll be using this beautiful nude color in the shade Browning Glory. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This is the final look. Happy New Year to everybody, and I hope this year brings a lot of joy and happiness. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.